Meaning of forested.
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 Forested. The term forested refers to an area that is covered by trees. When an area is described as forested, it means that there are a significant number of trees in the region, and they likely dominate the landscape. Forested areas can be found in many different parts of the world, ranging from tropical rainforests to temperate deciduous forests. These ecosystems are often important for maintaining biodiversity, regulating climate, and providing resources for human use. However, forested areas are also vulnerable to threats such as deforestation and climate change, which can have significant impacts on both the natural environment and human society.